Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about your fourth unit second poem, that is preteen pretext. So what is meant by preteen pretext? And the author of this poem is Linda. So the about the author it has not mentioned more. So here what is meant by preteen pretext? So, what is meant by teenage? The age between the 13 to 19 years are called teenagers. So, what is meant by preteen? Pre means before. That is, we will say one of the example is our exams has preponed. Means if the exam is 14th, then we if the exams have preponed, that is it is changed to 12th or 11th. So, preteen. Preteen means teenage, the age between 13 to 19, and the preteen means the mainly age between 13 to 16 are called pre-teenage people. So here pretext. What is meant by pretext? That is the preteen people, the age between the 13 to 16 people, or the children, not the children. They are matured. They are preteen people who are telling రీజన్స్ అబౌట్ వన్ థింగ్ దట్ ఈజ్ సాకులు. అంటే మనం చెప్పే సాకులు ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ టైంలో ఏదైనా పని చేయండి ఏదైనా చేయండి అంటే సాకులు చెప్తాం కదా. సో మెయిన్లీ ద టైటిల్ మీనింగ్ ఈస్ ప్రిటీన్ ప్రిటెక్స్ట్ మీన్స్ సాకులు. ద టీనేజ్ పీపుల్ బిట్వీన్ ద 13 and 16 పీపుల్ హూ విల్ సే the pretexters సాకులు. what that is mainly the meaning of preteen pretext. So here one mother is telling about her daughter, how she behaves and how she tells her pretext. So here she has a one phone. So she likes her phone very much. When someone, that is she is always updated, and she what she do is she never been alone. That is if she sleep, that is if she has no work, she is never alone. She used to spend her total time with cell phone only. So what the mother is saying, that she is always looking at her cell phone only from day and night, and she will not be alone at any time. And the mother is also describing or telling that if any one message or if any sound will come, she will come fastly and see the message, and her face blushes. So that if she, either it will be an important message or unimportant message, her face will blush by seeing that message, that light. That is, if we off our screen, mobile screen, if any message come, first light will come, then the what will come, sound will come. So if she hear that, her face will blush and she will be active, and she will go and see what the message is. And her ringtone, so when any phone call or any message comes, her ringtone is always new. That is which has came to market freshly. That is every ringtone she download, and every fresh ringtone she will kept to her phone. So that is she is here it is mainly describing that how she is particular about her ringtones and phones, and she never used to do work. And what she always check the social media, that new rock star, and she research about the new rock star, what the perfume he is using, and she will know everything about that rock star. And that is an unwanted thing, but here the parents, the bill is increasing. So that if any rock star using the same perfume, she has to buy the same perfume to her also by her parents. So this increases her monthly bills, and this is one of the. And what happened is the modern moms who are caring for their children, they what is in olden days, if we are in upstairs and our mother is in down, she will call from the down loudly, and we will go and we will ask what happened. But now there is a phones with the mom also a phone, and with the children also they have phone. They will call, mother will be down only, and children will be up only, but they call to her that is children, and tell that this work you have, you come and do. And the mother itself is telling that you have a homework you should do. But in olden days, people, that is parents are not that much educated, so the children only used to come and open the books and do the homework. Now the generation is the mother should tell the children that you have a homework you should do now. And if any work, that is a household work, if we tell to children, they will see the message. If we text the message, they will see and they will left out. But if we go and ask face to face, then the children will give the pretexters, that is the sakulu they will give. And they, that is, if we put a belt on the dog's neck, and if we tie it to the stick, the dog will run or walk around the stick only, no. In that way, this girl also, if messages or anything will come, she will that is catch the phone and sit like this only, like a dog. She will roam near the cell phone only, she will never go another place. And here the mother is saying that that is the if any assignments or homeworks are increased, that her daughter doesn't have a time to do that homeworks also. She has to take a long break, that how she will complete this homeworks, because from day to night she is holding the that is she is holding the cell phone and sitting only. So here mainly in this poem it is describing about how cell phone affects the children's life. So nowadays most of the children are like this only, they are catching the cell phones and sitting, because there are interesting things which are coming, but study also is very important. Cell phone is our one of the part of our life, but cell phone is not the life. So this is the main central theme of the poem. Hope you understand. This is somewhat big poem, but once you read you will understand. Hope you understand. Thank you.